Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find password and security. Then let's scroll down and enter more security settings and tap on encryption and credentials. At the very bottom, almost at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. So clear credentials and confirm it with OK. Confirm it also with your screen lock. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.